I had some requests to do a walkthrough of my TRX 450R build. So here it goes. It's a 2008. Some of this was already built. I was fortunate enough to buy it with a lot of the cool parts on it, but I've changed a lot of stuff, converted it over to use in the sand because I primarily ride in Glamis. But starting off, we've got custom OMF billet wheels, Baldwin motorsport, Baldwin hubs. I had these tires shaved down at Scat Track. It's a 23-inch front tire, and I go with the 6-inch wide wheel so I can get a really fat front tire to sit on top of the sand. I don't like what they offer. They're too narrow. PB1 PEP fully adjustable front suspension, JB arms, Wrath bumper, lots of WORCS carbon fiber bits on this bike, JB Racing steering stem clamp, ASV levers, really cool Behringer billet front master cylinder. Really trick product there. The action is incredible. Banshee thumb throttle Yamaha because I like the action of that. That's kind of the stock look, but super modified. Really cool. Moving on. Engine is a full Baldwin build. This thing is an absolute ripper. About $8,000 into the engine build alone from Baldwin, with Mr. Baldwin himself doing all of the work. Billet Kickstarter from Direct Drive. Love these foot pegs. Wicked metal design. Rob Wicks is the guy who builds these. They are freaking works of art. Just beautiful. I didn't go over. These are the new flex bars, if anybody was wondering. Quad Tech seat. Moving back, get a shot of those OMF wheels. Again, I had these paddles custom made with a 22/11/8 tire that was going to give me about a 73-inch rollout. I like a slightly taller paddle tire. Baldwin exhaust around to the back end. Fireball billet axle nut, which I think just looks incredibly cool. I've still got the stock swing arm. It's a really nice piece, but looking for options there. Billet hubs. I believe those are Wrath. And the PB1 rear shock dual rate, fully adjustable. DirtWorks dual battery conversion. Some Texera stuff, which I don't really need because I ride in the sand. Lone Star billet axle, the Quad Tech hump seat, and that's pretty much it. But it's a pretty radical build. I'm really excited to go rip it in the dunes after my broken ankle is fully healed. For now, I just get to sit and watch it.